What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard trading coach. I'll be doing a live trading session, live analysis, live discussion, live trading of PPI coming up in just 30 minutes. Amazing session like every day. Let's begin another incredible trading session. Make sure guys, everyone stay energetic, stay in a high vibration, and also smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin some of the instrument. Euro dollar, we see that there is a bounce on euro dollar, including the gold. Now I will be starting with gold. As usual, we are having an incredible trading on gold, as you have seen in our previous session as well. Now if you look at this one here, now we are running another profitable trade on gold, guys. This is just before starting the live session. I have opened another trade on gold. Now if you look at this one here, we are running in profit. There was a big fight between bulls and bears. So this trade that we have entered, this one just after the one that we opened in pre-London session, and then we have opened another position. So this one is a 1918.00 at entry, stop loss what at 1916.70, 68, and TP target at 1922. Where is that? So TP at 1922.62. Yeah, that's correct. So this one also we have opened with 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now the way we see that as PPI coming, I think that gold might get volatile and we can have another profitable trading opportunity. And on gold we can expect it. Now the one that we open during this pre-London session, as you can see from here, I think from here we have opened a position, we closed with profit. Now afterwards in London session I have found another opportunity which is running in profit. Now let's see where we can find entry. When it is trending, we will be keep adding position. If we find another opportunity, we will be opening another position. At the same time, euro dollar also showing bullish. I saw that euro dollar, you can see breaking out after gathering massive liquidity from here. If we look at the daily, euro dollar previous day has formed a hanging man, a doji. Now from that hanging man today, the price has started to move to the upside. Now we see that this is there is an imbalance in that zone. What I think that we could see euro dollar going up to this zone to create a new higher high, because it's a currently euro dollar, Gbp USD and gold, all of them moving to the upside with the weakness on DXY. So euro dollar from 4 hours, this candle is closing in 54 minutes, is forming a bullish doji. We could see some pullback. I think that euro dollar may continue to rise as we see that the price gathered liquidity from here, and we can expect euro dollar to break towards the upside. Okay, so if euro dollar is moving up with this liquidity gap, then what we see there on gold, I'm just parallelly looking both because they all almost move in the same direction. So if we look at gold on the lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame, we see that the price action creating series of higher high and higher low with a strong liquidity grab here at 1918 level where we have entered our position. And I'm expecting with the news coming up, PPI, DXY to be downside and to give gold a spike to the upside. And this spike could happen because what I think that gold, you can see there is a long wick, this zone on gold above, there's a liquidity above 1927. Liquidity is like a magnet if you consider price is a metal, because the price normally moves from liquidity to liquidity. So what I think that gold might go back up today to, if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily, the last day of trading week is 1930. I think that it might reach 1930 or below 1930. If we take the 50% of this daily week, we can see that this is where we have entered. We have placed our TP target. I think at least we can expect the price to cross 1923. Okay, 1923 or 24 or 25 at least to reach, and then can expect for the price to come back down for a deeper pullback. So with the news, anything can happen, but so far we see that potential upside on gold. I want to know your opinion. This is my opinion. Also, what's your opinion on gold, guys? Let me know in the live chat. And how are you doing with your trading as well? And any question, don't hesitate to ask me in the live chat. I try to cover most of them, as many as I can. Ben, thank you very much. And also let me know if everyone can hear me, please. I hope that you can hear me. How big is PPI news impact on the market? Very big. Yeah, absolutely. It's a very high impact news. CPI, PPI, unemployment claims, all of them. Anything you see that red flagged with the news calendar is have a big impact on the currency market, because they are the indicator of the economy, how the economy is doing. They understand it. Let me see that gold. So there is a resistance has created on gold. Okay, so good afternoon. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Good morning, guys. Thank you. Can we still enter gold, coach? Gold already at the moment, it's already gone to our profit zone, but I'll re-enter, add another position along the way if we find an entry, because news is coming in just 20 minutes. Now the next entry could be just after the news or just before the news if we see very good entry point. Until that, let's keep watching. Patience is the key, guys, on trading, so make sure that you stay patient. Derek, can you still? Okay, long gold. Yeah, we are long on gold. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Hanging man or shooting star on euro dollar on the daily. US all. Thank you. Biggest PPI. Yeah. Good day. Thank you. Good evening, coach and traders. I am also long for gold. While I go learning to watch price action from you, coach. Thank you. Thanks for that. Yeah, absolutely. This is the main goal here, guys. Always focus on learning. The main goal here, so that you can grow and learn as a trader, because you can copy a trade, you can copy 1 month, you can copy a year, but for longer term, to be an independent trader, there is no alternative to learning. So make sure you focus on learning. And any question, don't hesitate to ask me. If the market breaks 1930 level, will that market go more high? Very good question. Yeah, it's already breaking to the upside. Yes, absolutely. If it goes up, breaks the 1930 level, you mean that here? Yeah, it could be. Okay, it could go like that. All right, so normally the price, it could go like this. Even it might break this 1932. So it is also possible, based on the how high impact the news is coming up. Sometimes you see the news is very volatile, very aggressive, so it depends on the strength of the news coming up. If it is a very strong spike, which is possible, because you see there are quite a few long wick candles. These two candles, this is an imbalance. There is back-to-back sellers, but not tested by buyer. So we could see 1930 just crossed and then coming down or going up further. and then coming down. So there is a very high probability for price to go up and to create a new higher high. All right, so along with gold, we see that euro dollar also picking up. Euro dollar is this candle. This is a doji on euro dollar, and this doji had, you know, crossed almost quite a few sessions low. So there is a probability for euro dollar also to make a bullish momentum. The way price action has formed, it might move up, okay, also might go up, break this high, or even break this high. So we see that along with gold, we see that bullish momentum on euro dollar as well. Now if we go back to gold, there is a 20 EMA coming on gold on 4 hour. I think that the price, we could see that breaking that high and then to create a new higher high. So you see the price is now creating bullish pattern. Now this is our trade just before the live session. I have opened that position, and also I have shared that trade in the VIP as well. Now this is the trade that, you know, guys, I'm explaining how I have opened so that you guys can understand. Now this is how 1918 we bought, stop loss at 1916.50, TP target at 1922.60, and from here the trade was open. Now this trade that I have sent, it later has come down for a deeper pullback and then has gone to the upside again. Now this is why I tell you guys, for those who are watching on the VIPs as well, let me give a link on the VIP group as well for this live session. More often I forget to give the live session the link. So for those who are joining for watching from VIP, guys, just be patient always. You see that once we open that here, it has come almost 50%, more than 50% down, and then now has gone to the TP target. So that's why I always tell you guys that always be patient. Patience is the key to be profitable as a trader. All right, it's very important that you become patient. You see that now the gold is going to the upside, and this is 3 times profit. Like this week also, we are incredible in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Every day bunch of gold trade as well as other instrument that we are trading. Now this is the last trade that we have opened, and I want to take the full profit on this one as well. Now if you are not in our VIP group yet, I will recommend you to join today. Join us to learn our strategies to trade with me. Like every trade that I open, this is a real trade. As you can see, I trade with real money. This is a real trade, and this is a real trading academy where it's like we open most of the trade with incredible risk management, with proper entry, stop loss, and take profit. If you want to be in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can join us today. There is a link in the description area, and also there is a link at the top of the chat. So if you are the first link below this video, if you are on the website, click join now button, then you will be able to join, and then you will be able to see all the trades that I am opening so that you can grow and learn as a trader. Now this is the website if you haven't found the link. So www.forextradingwizard.com. when you are on the website, click join now button or click here to join, and then choose lifetime access, and you will be able to access everything, including the trading tools like this one here. Now you see that where I have entered exactly, there is a buy alert. Now this is our TFS strategy, or trend following strategy at work. Now this is one of my favorite trading strategy that I use to trade all the instruments, including gold, euro dollar, Gbp USD. Now to be a profitable, one must have a strategy. A strategy is the only way with a strategy to be profitable. So you see that now you can see from that perspective on gold, from that zone, it's moving high. Now from the 1 hour chart, we look at the price action. The trend is up. Sometimes I stop talking. Okay, let me see. This is the lower time frame. We see a retest. Now this there is a sharp rejection. Let's see if it is a rejection or it's a liquidity grab. It is now retesting this level. Okay, after closing of this candle, we saw that immediate rejection because there is a resistance here. So let me see if we need to close any part of the position or we still can keep running. So if you look at the euro dollar, Eurodollar also has broken this high, and now we see that the price has come down for a deeper pullback. And I think that this instrument, including Eurodollar, all of them may remain bullish, including the gold. Now news in 12 minutes. Let me know, guys, what's your prediction on gold on the news. So what we will do, our gold trade, now we will be taking 50% off and moving the stop loss at entry after the news, because there could be a spike, or let me see if we might be able to close fully because there is a news. I think that there might be a spike. Let me see. Okay, so we need to see that gold has gone up, and then so this break is against the trend. So we see immediate rejection, which is good. Yeah, that's how we need immediate rejection to the upside. Okay, so there is a downside coming on all of them. Let me see. Looks to me that it's a liquidity grab. Just come down for tested the 20 EMA. Okay. See, this is a before news. A fresh liquidity grab can give a boost to the upside, which is good for us. So we are still on a trade and which is running in good profit. Let's go. Now if this one is closing as a long bullish candle, very strong bullish candle, we will be able to move our stop loss below this candle, which will reduce the risk. I always look to reduce the risk, which is very important. Now including the euro dollar, okay, had a swing low break, and we see the price again bouncing to the upside. Okay, that's good. This local breakdown was good for us, so we got a pickup. That's awesome. This is what we needed, guys. Let me know if you're enjoying the profit now. For those who are on the VIP, definitely on the trade. Who is on the trade? Where is my screen here? Guys, I can't find my screen. I got it. Thank you. So yeah, so we see that gold, after triggering that liquidity zone, is showing potential upside, and our TP target at 1922, which is 3.1 times. I want to see that gold breaking that high and then going up to create a new higher high. It triggered massive liquidity here, so it prepared for further move. I want to know how many of you in this gold trade. Thank you. Dollar CAD, yeah, I'll be looking at that. Are you in gold now? Yeah, we are. If the market breaks 1930, yes, thank you for that. Thanks very much. Thank you. Please, coach, give us trade on other pairs. Yes, we will be looking at all the. How do I join VIP, sir? So yes, you can join VIP now. The only thing that you need to do is go to the website link below this video. Also, I can give you a mentorship website link. So once you are on the website, I'll give you the link. Once you are on the website, just click join now button. There is a button where you can press that, click join now, and then you will be able to access, choose the lifetime mentorship. Okay, so you can have given the link in the live chat. So this click on the website, and once you are on the website, click join now button, and that's how you can join. Okay, once you click join now button, choose the lifetime, and then you can join. Any question, don't hesitate to ask the live agent about everything. She will be able to answer all the question that you have. Just ask the live agent. Humayun, just ask the live agent. I'm VIP and I'm in the trade with profit. Very good, Muhammad Mamin. I know that you are on the VIP. That's good. Thank you. Can you talk about dollar yen? Yeah, absolutely, we can. Let me see that this gold trade, I need to manage it. Is it? So we have two last candle before the news. Let me see. Yeah, just up pickup, which is needed. It's a massive uprise. Awesome, thank you. So you see that pickup will hold the position for 1922.6, which is our TP target. And let's quickly look at before the news. I'll be looking at dollar yen as well. So USDJPY, if we look at, okay, so USDJPY looking to me that looking to me because it has triggered a very important zone. I think dollar yen, because we see the upside on gold, we might see dollar yen coming down for deeper pullback, or even we can expect a short-term reversal from this level on dollar yen. Now you can see that dollar yen, this is a dollar yen is a long-term bull market, but the way I see this price action here, there is a potential for breakdown on dollar yen, because if we see that gold is going up, DXY is coming down, we might see potential breakdown on dollar yen. All right, so it is possible that dollar yen is breaking towards the downside. Okay, so I'll just for gold I'll move the stop loss at entry, because there is a news coming up, there is a risk of spike, so I'll move the stop loss at entry. So I move the stop loss at entry. This is the right place. Stop loss 1918.50. Yeah, TP at 1925. Yes. So I manage the stop loss. I move the stop loss. There could be spike, and I, even if I if the profit is taken away, it's fine, but or I might be able to bring the stop loss. Okay, so there is a very high probability for now this move to the upside, which is expected. Now there is a doji is being formed. Okay, so let the news be released, and then we will be looking at euro dollar, dollar yen, and all other instruments before the candle close, guys. Let's first let the news be settled, and then if we need to see other instrument in trade, US30, euro dollar, we will be looking at that, like we do open frequent trades, which is good for us. The price is trying to break to the upside, and in the current trade, guys, I might give a shout out if I see that very strong spike to the upside to take the profit. Also, gold, I need to update the VIPs. Okay, so there is a downside spike. Want to see that the price, oh, that's I'm out of trade. So it just gathered liquidity. It just gathered liquidity, guys. That's a nasty spike, but I'm out of the trade. Okay, I'm out of the trade. I move the stop loss at entry. So let me see the euro dollar. Let me see. So there is a spike, had a running trade to carry out. So there is a unusual spike. Let's see. Okay, as I mentioned, that there is a chance of a spike. Let's see what happened with the euro dollar. Let me see on the daily. So from the daily 20 EMA, there is a rejection. Let me see what the price is trying to do. Okay, so the spike might bring the price come back to Okay guys, so you can see that the price, what it is doing is basically is gathering massive liquidity. All right, so no problem. You see that how I manage the trade. I just move the stop loss at entry before the news, so that my trade is protected, and also I have updated to the VIPs as well to move the stop loss at entry. So now let's see what it is trying to do. Is it breaking down again, or it's gonna move up? It's very important to see. See what's happening with euro dollar as well. So what's happening with Gbpusd? We had a trade early today on Gbpusd. Let me see. Okay, so looks to me that they might remain bearish. So what was bearish before may remain bearish. We see that DXY might getting up again. So what was before bearish is remaining bearish. Still like that. Alright, so it is very important to see how the price action is forming, and as soon as we will find an entry like we did yesterday, every day we will be jumping on the trade. Okay, so also let me know guys, what do you think, what's happening with the trade, and what's with the Forex factory. Look at the calendar. So with the calendar, we look at that. Okay, we see that all these three results is good for DXY. Right, so we see the GDP is, so that's why we saw all of them. So you know, for USD as well as GBP. So GBP, GDP, which we saw on 4 p.m. which released now, dollar for PPI, which has given strength on DXY. Let me see. So gold potential for see euro dollar. euro dollar triggered liquidity, and now there's a massive rejection, so very high probability that euro dollar will remain bearish. So from lower time frame, okay, gold price action. Okay, so let's see how gold trying to do. I think that let me see. Okay, so if we look at gold from, this is the support level on gold, and the way I see this price action is potentially bearish. So if we sell from here, okay, we might see now pullback, and this is the daily support. Okay, if gold cannot break this high, this 5 minutes candles high, okay, let it first break, and then we can look for selling opportunity from this zone here. Okay, let me bring my computer here. 5 minutes. Okay guys, so let me see how the price action is developing. Okay, so what I will do now, here I will be selling gold from here exactly, stop loss just above this high, and I will target here to the daily support level, which will be around 2.7 times risk to reward. So stop loss at 1918.25 and stop loss a little bit above this high. Target at daily support level. Right, so I will also send the same trade to VIPs as well. So the previous one was break even. You can see the market, it moved very fast. My god, so fast. Okay, I'm running in profit now. Okay, so before I posted, it started to drop. Okay, my god, very fast movement in the market, guys. All right, so there is a probability for further drop. Now I think it's gonna come down to the daily support level, which is start to drop now. As soon as I will find, I'm almost 1% profit on this trade now on gold. If you want to know how I'm trading every day, profitable gold trade, if you want to learn the strategy that I am trading, I will recommend you to join right now. There is a link in the description area. Now this one, you can see as soon as we open, start to drop in the direction. I think that gold might have a waterfall at the moment. It might make that, it bring the price to come back down to the daily support level. This is very strong rejection from the top, and yeah, so you see that drop now at the moment. I want to see that gold coming down to give us a profit now. There is a probability for a pullback. So if it goes up for a pullback, then we'll be, if we need to add position, we'll be adding. But I think that the way it has broken down, we could see that gold started to drop and trend and towards the downside first. Now it's going up for a pullback. So if we see that very weaker rejection, then we can look for another entry. Okay guys, smash the like button now. Are you on this trade with me? Let me know. Thank you. Profitable trading, your journey of being a profitable trader begins here. Make sure you take a step. Join us. There is a link in the description area below this video. Visit the website. So once you're on the website, just press that button, click join now button, and be part of the trading community for the rest of your life. You will be able to access all the strategy. Without trading, without a strategy, it's gambling, and you'll never ever be profitable without strategy. The strategy that I'm trading, what I'm trading, gold, all the instrument you can learn, and every day all the trade that I am opening, I'm also sharing with VIP groups as well as in this live session, so you'll be able to access all of them. So gold started to move to the top profit target. I think that 1912 is our profit target, and I want to see that the price has come down, has hit the TP target. The way the price action perform, there is a very high probability for gold to have a waterfall. So our TP target at in our daily support level, so which is very likely that we should be able to see that hitting the TP today. All right, now the price action is highly bearish, and see TP is just in the swing low. Okay, how's it going, guys? Let me know. Are you enjoying the profit? Let me know in the live chat. Awesome, thank you. $400. Now we will be looking at VIP group, missing this trade. Yeah, it was very fast, very fast. I posted I posted the link for live to the VIP group, so everyone should be able to see that. Thank you. I don't keep volume in my chart. Thank you very much. Awesome, thank you. Yes, awesome, thank you very much. Usdjpy, I will be below US30. We'll be looking at all of them. Just I'm enjoying this profit, and then we'll be looking at that I'm running more than 2.5%. So in my account, so this breakdown could lead gold to come back to the daily support level. Okay guys, so now we can move the stop loss at entry. We can move the stop loss at entry. I'll move the stop loss at entry. But the way the price action form is still probability for further drop, but I'll move the stop loss entry to make the trade risk free. All right, so massive drop just needed. 3 times profit on this trade, 3 times. Now I'm gonna close manually. All right, I'm exactly at 3 times. I'm gonna close manually because the price on a level. All right, so let me drop a little further and then I'm gonna close manually. Okay, I've closed manually with 3 times profit. All right, I've closed manually with 3 times profit. Okay, so I'm out with 3 times profit. So can you let me know in the live chat, everyone booked profit? Make sure that guys, everything keep as educational as possible. Everything here is only for learning and growing as a trader. Make sure you open in a demo account. What's your TP? Yes coach, thank you, perfect. Lols, thank you. 200 USD booked, awesome. You are enter from, yeah, so there is a, you know, it's in a zone where there is a chance of reversal. That's why we closed out, because this zone where we see gold is a smart money area where a previous resistance turns support. Okay, if we see reversal, we might be able to enter buy, but first let me see. Okay, thank you. I'm in profit on this gold trade. That's Mohammed Mamin. What, who is not watching your videos? Thank you very much. Missing it, missed it, no problems. Thanks for that. That's all fine. It's a part of game. Show your profit, please. Yeah, absolutely, why not? Let me bring my profit screenshot. Okay, so let me bring my screen. Because I have closed quite a few positions. Let me bring my screen. One moment. You can check out my account history because I trade in multiple accounts. I need to log into all of them to see the history and everything. So this is a live server. Okay, you can see that live. live and also demo together, 2 accounts. So live server, and you can see entry. My entry was at 1916.63, stop loss at 1917.84, TP was at 1912.38, and the price closed at 1913.98. I took profit $2,390. As I mentioned, I have 10 accounts that I trade in, so that's why sometimes it be difficult for me to find all the trade, because I need to log in all of them. So this is where now you can see the entry, our entry here, exactly where we have entered, and that has given me in just 5 minutes matter of time secure the profit. Okay, now what I need, a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And if you want to know more, if you want to learn with me, grow as a trader, don't hesitate to join me today. I'll recommend you to join now. All right, there is a link in the description area. Visit the website and then join us to learn our strategies, to be part of the trading community. And any question, let me know. Let me know if what you have in your question. If you have any question. Thank you. Okay, it's a very good question. Let's say thank you very much. Call 2.5% profit. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Euro dollar. Thanks for that. Pat, awesome. Thank you. So dollar yen. First, now you have seen my profit. Great man. Thank you. Thanks, call my buy and Nasdaq. Got my profit. Much make. Thanks for that. Thank you. Got massive profit. Thank you very much. Nice profit, coach. Thank you very much. I won three gold trades with you this week. Thanks. Awesome. Very good. Nice. Euro dollar yen. So let's quickly look at dollar yen, guys. Keep in mind here, I'm a real trader. You have seen anytime, any question. If you guys have any time, don't hesitate to ask me. Ask me to show you my PNL. Ask me to show you my history. Ask me to trade in front of you. There is a lot of people can tell you what happened in the past, but the only real trader who can trade in front of thousands of people, it's not a it's not an easy task, but you can do it that too. So that's why I invite you to come here to join us to learn strategy that will change your life. Forex Trading Wizard Academy, changing lives every single day. So now what gold is doing, it's preparing for the way we see the price action. Again, I think it's gonna remain bearish, might remain bearish for the time being. So let's quickly look at what it is doing. And in the meantime, you are the boss, coach. Thank you very much, Loda. You're awesome. Thanks for that. Zofia, you're awesome. Thank you, Zofia. Why you are starting? Okay, so quickly let's look at what's happening with US30. So that some of you Obj is very upset about US30. Why US30 bearish when positive? Okay, so US30 bearish when the news positive for USD. It's a very good, it's related. Why you are so curious? Because it's the way in the right direction. So when USD is positive, so US30 is inversely related to USD, right? So when the news is positive, your US30 is gonna down, right? It's going in the right direction, isn't it? Like the gold and all of them, but it's a short term. It might go up again because news impact is always short term. It's not a long term trend change indication. You'll see that. So quickly let's look at now. We'll enter again, guys. Don't leave the stream. Make sure you stick till the end. We will be entering again as soon as you find another opportunity. Okay, so how many of you want more entry? Let me know in the live chat. Okay, so looking at the monthly, if I look at the monthly on US30, we see that from monthly perspective, from this resistance level, we have seen that the price had a rejection from this level. This is the previous resistance here, and from that resistance we see that from the monthly perspective the price had a rejection. I think that we might see a bit more deeper pullback here. All right, so if we look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective there's a bearish candle followed by a long wick candle, and from that zone we can expect US30 to drop to the downside. Now if we look at this level here, this is the previous resistance, turn support here. If we look at the daily, there's a daily doji. Now the way the price is trying to do, what I think that because of the fundamental news came a bit stronger for DXY, we could see that US30 is dropping down to the support level. So we could see that break of support on US30. We saw liquidity grab at the top, and also there's a liquidity grab at the bottom. So we could see that break of the support level on US30. Now from intraday, from 4 hour, there is a bearish candle, had a liquidity in it. Now this one we see that the price started to drop again. So from further lower time frame, we can see that US30 from this this is the resistance line here. All right, so with this resistance, this is the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and there is a liquidity gap here. So we see that the price has, this break is a fake move. So looking at fake move, let me know in the live chat, guys, what do you understand from fake move? Like, how does it work when you see the fake move? That the fake move will give you a directional bias, very important. Why? Because when the market make a fake move, is basically a momentum gain. All right, so for example, when you see that when you identify the trend, and then you identify which way the market is gathering liquidity, then it becomes much easier for you to understand, in fact, which way the market is planning for heading. The market, you might say, do the market can talk? So the market is for me, it's a living thing. It's like it's moving all the time. The price is, there was a time when I first began my trading journey, I was alone. Now I have a big academy. All of you are here, always talking, mobile, vibrant. But when I begin my trading journey, I only had alone myself and some people who just create an obstacle for me, because no one likes no one liked trading, to be honest. When I started, this is very, very fair, because no one even know what is trading is. Few people understand it. So I got a lot of obstacles. So that time, deep in the night, I always looking at the chart. So I start to talk with the chart sometime. So that's why I see the chart is like a living thing that always moves. So you see the price is moving. So it's always, there is a plan. On the other side, there is always people. You see that on the other side, the people are trading. There is always a buyers and sellers in the market all the time. So it is a, you can see this is a resistance line here, and with this there is a break of this resistance in the opposite direction, and then had a again immediate drop. So this fake move, because it's a long-term uptrend, when you see that when the price has gone up, there's a lot of people who bought immediately had got stopped out, and as a result the market had a gathered momentum for further drop to the downside, right, on US30. Now if we look at the daily time frame, and from the weekly and from the lower time frame, we can see that now it is a bit, for me it might be a bit hard to sell at the moment. There is one reason. If you look at the weekly, this is why it is important to look at the multi time frame. You see the price on the weekly is support level, but this is weekend, right? We could see a weekly close as a doji, and then we might see the next week the price is coming down from that level. Okay, so let's see how it goes. We'll be looking to enter any position as soon as it is arising. So let's quickly look at again gold. We see some upside from that level, right, after we take the profit. The price, let me see, from this 5 minutes, and okay, so we might see a retest of this 20 EMA. Okay, so from the 5 minutes, it's respecting this 20 EMA. Okay guys, in the meantime, make sure to join that free Telegram channel, guys. Once you join the free Telegram channel, you can stay up to date, all the updates and everything, that all the free content that we are releasing, all the free education. You can stay up to date with all of them with Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I can give you a free Telegram channel link in the live chat. But first, let me sort out something here. So what I see that on gold here, there is a potential for downside. Let me see where is the next opportunity. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out. You can see the price. This is the 4-hour candle. Now this 4-hour candle, what you see that on gold, reached that 20 EMA zone, okay, in this liquidity area, and from that liquidity zone, what we saw that the price had a massive rejection. Now with this rejection, we see that the price yeah, so there is the way the price action has formed, which is potentially further drop. I think that now gold for longer term, if you look at the weekly, we can see that this is the weekly candle, and now because it's weekend and there's a new weekly opening coming tomorrow, so always best to look at the weekly price action. Now we see that from the weekly perspective, the price action is very strongly bearish, and I think that there is a further probability for a drop. Now two probabilities before the weekly close is either to drop further, break this low and then close below. Another probability is just before the weekly close, the price to have a bounce and go back to 1925 and close there, and next week to drop back again. So it is really important. So 1-hour candle closed as a bearish engulfer. Okay, so the 15 minutes here also closed as a red candle. I think that, you know, in my opinion, I think gold might remain bearish, but may not be very strongly bearish, but we could see a little consolidation here later today, and from that zone we could see gold coming down here, closing somewhere here on the weekly, and then slowly next week also remaining bearish. Now based on how the weekly will close, we will see how gold might be doing in the upcoming week, but I think that gold remaining bearish. Okay, so we will be looking at now dollar yen. I don't know why I was having. So if we look at the dollar yen, all right, so dollar yen, looking at the daily, it is a very strongly bull market. Dollar yen, looking at the monthly, first of all, if we look at the monthly, we can see that from the monthly perspective, dollar yen is a bull market. With this bullish market, we can see the dollar yen So if we look at dollar yen from the bigger picture, we see the dollar yen is, from the monthly perspective, it is a bull market. If we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, starting with this support level, dollar yen had a bounce to the upside. Okay, so with this bounce, the price now breaking this long term, it's the daily resistance level, breaking that high. And if we look at the lower time frame, we can see that from this level, this is an impulse correction. The price is creating series of higher high and higher low. So with this doji, the price tested the 20 EMA and had a bounce to the upside. Now you can see back to back to buy alert, both of them satisfying our rules of our TF or trend following strategy. And from that zone, we saw the dollar yen had this bounce, and this is our TF or trend following strategy indicator. If you are our lifetime member, or if you are our member, you should be able to access this TF strategy indicator. All the information in your student dashboard, you can access that indicator. And but before accessing that, you need to learn the strategy, learn the rules of the strategies, and then I can give you the access to that indicator. If you are not our member, also I will recommend you to join today. There is a link in the description, and also there is a link at the top of the chat. So once you are our member, you will be able to access all the tools that we have, including all the trade that I am opening. You can access, and all the strategy that I am using, you can access. So link in the description. I'll recommend you to visit the website, and also there is a link at the top of the chat where you can access everything that we have. So let's see now what else we have to see. Now let's see now dollar yen that we discussed. As before I leaving the dollar yen, let's see the weekly perspective, how it is doing. Now previous week we saw a shooting star on dollar yen, and with this shooting star from that level, the price had a bounce. I think that it has, as it has broken the resistance line, for longer term perspective, we could see that dollar yen testing this resistance as a support, and then we can expect dollar yen to remain bullish for longer term. Now this is a weekly price action. Highly likely that we could see dollar yen is going to this resistance line. This is a resistance line here, and this is also a resistance. So you could see that the price ultimately moving up to test this resistance line. Now from the daily, we can see that the price from the daily perspective, there's an impulse correction. The price is creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a long-term uptrending market structure. So you see that dollar yen is basically bullish. Now as you can see, it is weekend, the price already trended well. I think that we can expect a deeper pullback on the upcoming week, and then after deeper pullback we can expect for dollar yen to go long. Now if you look at the daily, we can see that the price from the daily perspective has made a significant move above this resistance. We can expect a pullback and then to go long on dollar yen, so which is typically bullish market. So let's quickly look at, so we saw that all the JPY pairs doing exactly the same way. So now I will quickly look at all the instrument. I just more often I look at all of them to see. So Aussie CAD, let me see. Aussie CAD looks to me that from after forming this daily doji, look at the weekly. So weekly candle is almost closing. Okay, so there are two probability now on Aussie CAD. One is for the price after gathering to break down or to go up again. in the upcoming week for further liquidity grab. So there is a probability for, as you can see, this 4-hour candle is a bearish candle followed by a narrower candle. We can expect Aussie CAD to drop. So Aussie yen, I'm just quickly look at all of them. CAD CHF might drop. Let me quickly see. Okay, so GBP USD also had a very strong rejection. Let me see from the daily. Now this is a very crucial point here. Now on all the USD, they show different faces. Let me see on gold as well. There is a question now here, is the trend will continue with gold and all the instrument, or we could see a reversal slowly, because there is a new week coming up. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the live chat. What do you think? Do you think that gold will remain bearish, or do you think that gold will change its trend? If we look at the weekly, let me see the monthly. It is really important to see now in this lower time frame. Okay, so this is structure on the 15 minutes on gold. This is a crucial level has created. Okay, very important previous support, term resistance. This is a typical bearish structure. Now 5 minutes structure that we see, starting with this impulse, it's in a triangle, right? Very highly likely that gold may form another triangular pattern here. Okay, a long week candle with this, starting with this impulse, triangle, liquidity grab. We can expect another one, and I think that the next one might go up, gather liquidity, and then if that's the case, then we could see gold from here coming down. But the way this price action has formed here, which is a possibility for another wave of drop, and with the drop we could see that gold again coming back to the daily support level. Okay, so let's see if we can find another entry. This is a bearish price action here. Okay, a strong breakdown with a liquidity gap, form a triangular pattern, and from that level we see the price is forming okay. Need to see the tissue here. Okay, we see that coming down, guys. All right, so let me see. Okay, the way you can see this structure here, which is, you know, potentially bearish. Now this candle can be respected, or we could see break of this high, testing this 20 MA, and then could remain bearish. Now the way this price has broken down, it is possible for gold for even further bigger drop to the downside. All right, so let me know your idea as well. And also in the meantime, guys, make sure that you like this stream and also subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow is weekend, as you know that I will be releasing very valuable content. You can watch all of them. I'll be premiering, and also any question, don't hesitate to ask. At the same time, if you are looking to join a regulated broker, you can join Trade. Trade is a regulated broker, so your capital will be in the safe hand. There is a link in the description area for Trade, and also I'm giving a link in the live chat. All right, so you can use that link. Click that link and then you can register for free, and then you can start trading with a regulated broker. So there's a 20% bonus code that I can give you. Is Wizard. So 20% bonus code is Wizard. You can trade with Trade. So let's see now. Okay, so this is a strong bearish candle. Let me see. Okay, let's see if we can find an entry. We'll be looking at that. In the meantime, let me know, guys, in the live chat which one you are looking at. A lot of message I did not replay. Thank you. Why do you want to NASDAQ? Coach, how about week fill on daily time frame on US30? Okay, so I will be looking at that week fill on daily time frame. Okay, then go and thank you. Will you take another? If yes, why not? Sometime yesterday we had a 6 gold trade in VIP. I think one or two on live, the other 4 on VIP. When the market is trending, we will take trade. Yes, of course, why not? Thank you very much. That's awesome. Hinton, that's very good. Thank you for that. Gbpusd, dollar yen. Okay, we looked at. Now I'll be looking at Gbpusd and Euro USD. So there normally, okay, so we see that now the price is trying to break to the upside. Good day, coach. Thank you. Good day. What can you say about Euro USD? Okay, as it is CHF, hey coach, do you think Euro USD is a sell? Okay, we'll be looking at that. Thank you. Thanks for that. Okay, so I use XNAS. Eurujpy. Thank you. Awesome. Thank you very much. So yeah, there could be. So if it drops, yeah, if it create a bearish pattern, it might break the daily support. If it breaks the daily support, it might even come back to 1900. Depends on how the price is doing with the daily support level. Now you can see it has gone up to this liquidity zone. Now here you see there is a long wick candle. It might break to the upside, and then if we see that the price has given us an entry here, we will be looking for an entry. You see this is the line that I have placed here, which is the previous support and resistance, and that could be a very important zone. Now it is going up, which is good for us for potential entry opportunity. Okay, so okay, so we see that the price triggered liquidity here. We should be able to see some downside movement here. Okay, so as I mentioned, after triggering that zone, it's now breaking to the downside. That's it. As I mentioned, you see that after triggering that liquidity, now it's coming down. Okay, could have an entry. So this green candle is a fake move. This is what I was talking about previously. Now to take and sell position here, now we can take a sell position here, but the only issue here is that this is a daily support, the lowest point in this whole move, and we may not have enough risks to reward. Let me see. keep the stop loss here, TP target here. I think might have another move, even another spike to the upside. Okay, so I'm not going in, guys, just testing. It's going up again for another liquid. So it basically gather liquidity from the top. Now it's gather liquidity from the bottom. So okay, so that's a massive liquidity gap from here and there. Let's see what it is trying to do here. So it basically gather liquidity from all sides. Okay, so broken to the upside. Now this 5 minutes candle is crucial. So it tested this level. Okay, now I'll be selling gold again. All right, from here stop loss above, just above this high with a very tight entry. Now I will have risk to reward just above this high stop loss. Now anything can happen, it might go back up again, but I'll be sending the same trade to the VIPs as well. Right, so I'll be opening in my live account. $17.18. At least 5 times. All right, so now this is a very tight second trade on gold, guys. Stay connected. And gold, Okay, it might, if it is going to the upside, breaking the high, then an unlucky. Let's see. Guys, make sure that you do proper risk management. So let's see, it might break to the upside. Okay, it might drop back down because it gathered liquidity from both sides, but as a rule of thumb, the trend is down, so I'm expecting it to come down. So from 15 minutes, okay, if it is the 15 minutes candle is closing in 1 minute 44 seconds. Okay, so I'm out. Didn't work out this time, very tight. Didn't work out this time. Okay, so it might going to the upside, very tight entry, only I think less than 10 pip. It might still may continue to drop. Okay, it might still I think it was just another liquidity gap, just tested this high. Okay, so I'll be entering again with the same entry stop loss. Entering again. I still think that it might come down again. I have entered again. This time I'm out. I'm completely out for the day. I've entered again. Okay, so this time as soon as, because they're very tight, as soon as I'll see the price has broken down to this level, okay, and now it's coming down. Highly likely if it breaks down, it will come down again. Let me see, from 15 minutes, which is potentially the price action. Okay, which is all right, guys. I'm running in profit now at the moment. Yeah, let it break to the downside. Okay, it's now coming down. All right, we catch it. Previously one around 2.5%, one gone down. This one, if it comes down properly to this level, will give us another around another 2 or 3%. Okay, which is coming down again. But I'm up again 1%, more than 1%. This is how trading is. You can see I'm more than 1% up. So the first trade didn't work out, has paid off now again to me. All right, so I'm more than 1%. I'll give a shout out whenever I will be closing, because very tight trade. I'm up around $1,800. The first one gone, the second one gone around 1,000. Now I want to see that this one is giving me at least 3,000, and I will show you the screenshot for this one as well. So first I want to see that it in fact has come down. Let me see. There is a probability for further drop. So the first position didn't work out is because just little bit of liquidity grab, just for maybe less than 1 pip, but second one has come down more than 1% at the moment, 1.5%. So this is the real scalping. Okay guys, are you enjoying? Let me know. Okay, so it is moving up. It is moving down, and I'll give a shout out whenever I'll close, because I'm now up more than 2%. Okay, and I want to see that this one is coming down and giving me the full liquidity grab and full profit. Guys, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm trading, be part of this trading community. This is the real trading channel in this whole entire YouTube entire industry you'll find. So don't miss out the opportunity today. You see that in front of you, before I made 2200, now I am around 2200. I lost 1000, so 4000 up today so far, but I want to see it's dropping a little downside so that I can get it again. It's now trying, it's a very tight entry, so I want to see that the next candle coming down, which is very highly likely to happen. Might go up for a spike to the upside, but I'll give a shout out whenever I will be closing this trade, so that you guys knows what I'm doing with the trade. So I'm at 2000. I'll see that it's dropping down. Don't go up. Yeah. So the way the price actions form, there is a very high probability now for further downside. Okay, that's a massive drop. We need it. Okay, so it's coming down, right? I'm almost 3% at the moment, and I'll give a shout out as soon as I'll close with profit, because it might spike down. Yeah, spike down. Okay, I'm taking profit. I'm done. It's a massive profit for me. So I took profit, and also advise the VIPs. Might come down further, but I'm very tight. Okay, so now you wanna see this profit also to these two trades. Where is mine? Okay, so 3 trades today. I'm gonna bring it to you guys. Okay, so today's outcome of our trade, I'm trading in the live server. Okay, and the first trade that you have seen in the beginning, we have opened. Okay, the price was at 1916.63, stop loss at 1917.84, take profit at 1912, but you closed at 1913. I took $2,390 profit. The second trade just now, open, stop loss hit, I got minus 1000. You see how I manage the risk, always 1%. That's why I'm showing you. The third trade, then immediately I have re-entered because I know that it's gonna drop. That trade gave me $2,557. Now what I lost is 1000, what I made is 5000 almost. So my net gain is $4,000. All right, now this is trading. You see, no one ever will be able to give you a trade that that is always winner. Okay, trading lies like this. When the trade doesn't go in your direction, you can close with minimum loss, but when the trade will go in your direction, you can take bigger profit target. Now how many of you are with me in the second trade? What happened with you? Let me know, guys, in the live chat. What happened with you? Thank you. Three trades total, coach. You make video about how to use TF indicator. Yeah, absolutely, Kadir. Absolutely, we'll be doing that. Thank you. What lot size you using? I use a risk manager. Okay, you see, this is the risk manager. I use risk manager to manage the risk. Okay, to calculate the lot size based on my risk percentage. Thank you very much. 1.7% on this trade. Thank you very much. How about week fill daily? I will be Zofia. Yes, I love your trading skill and I'm happy I joined this team. Thank you, Zofia. You are always welcome. I know that you're very dedicated and sure, thank for that. Show us 4000 in MT5. This is not MT5, MT4. This is what I have shown you. Thank you for that. Awesome. Thanks. I hope that you guys enjoyed this is you guys enjoyed this, and thank you for being here. So let's quickly look at what else we have. And also, guys, before I progress further, I'll pause for 2 seconds. I'll count 0 to 2. I want everyone need to smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button. That will help the channel, also help you to grow as a trader. You can see from after I close the trade again, going, the price is ranging in that zone. This is how trading is, always bigger profit, smaller loss, bigger profit, smaller loss. Keep doing it from an important area of value, and then you can be profitable as a trader, which is very possible. So I pause for 2 seconds. 0, 1, 2. Thank you for that. Thank you for your support to the channel, and stick to the channel. As I mentioned, if you join Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you will be here forever. Every trade that I open, I share with VIPs, and also you will learn all the strategies, all the courses that I am trading. And also, if you want to join a regulated broker, our recommended broker is EverTrade. There is a link in the description area for EverTrade. Join EverTrade and then make even a smaller deposit. Start trading with EverTrade for they are regulated, so your capital will be in the safe hand. So we made 3 trades today, quite a bit, and someday less, someday more. Just in this live before also we had so quite a few trades this week. Incredible week. After the NFP week, there is another incredible week. I'll be releasing results and everything tomorrow, so make sure, guys, you join the free Telegram channel to see what we are doing here. And also I'll be releasing weekly Forex forecast tomorrow, along with a very important educational video during the London and New York session time. So stay tuned for that. And thank you for joining Forex Trading Wizard Academy, being with me. And I really appreciate your support to the channel. The last thing, I will miss you over the weekend, so make sure you stay connected. The last thing is that when you are there, then I am here. So I'm here because of you. Stay tuned. Take it easy. Always manage your risk. Don't take a big risk, because your capital in fact is important. Your support your family, yourself. So make sure you take care of your trading account. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.